morning everyone, respected sir and all my classmates. Today I am going to make some 3D shapes using clay and toothpick. First we are going to make a shape of dice. Can you guess what is the shape of dice? Yes, it's a cube. First we are going to divide the clay in 8 small balls and take 12 toothpicks. Now arrange the small ball and toothpick in this way. Can you guess which is the shape? This is a cube. It has 6 faces. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Now we are going to make shape of your geometry box. Can you guess it? Yes, it is a cuboid. Can you guess which is the shape? Yes, this is a cuboid. A cuboid also has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Finally, we are going to make a pyramid. So let's make it. This is a pyramid. A pyramid has 4 faces, 4 vertices and 6 edges. Thank you.